Okay, you wake up and your pool is full of green water, algae. How do you fix it? Couple of steps. Number one is you take a jug of the chlorine, and I like to get mine at Pinch a Penny. They're the best here in Broward, bestofbroward.net. And then you pick up some of the Suncoast Stop Green, and what this does is it produces amazing results, really. I just put this in yesterday and it's already looking better. And now a couple more steps. You go over to your filter, take it out, and start hosing it. You can see I already did some of it, but it's green. It's loaded with green. You got to clean this, and then the final step will be, you can see that green coming right out. You got to do this, otherwise if you put the filter back in without cleaning it, the pool will just turn into algae again. So do this for a few minutes. So after the soaking is finished, just place the filter back inside, screw on the cap, and then fill up one more bottle, one more jug of chlorine into the pool. Let it run all day, all night, and then by tomorrow it should be looking good. Remember to run your filter all day and all night. Get the second bucket of chlorine, throw it in the pool, and boom, should be all good to go. Caution though, wear old clothes because you're gonna get spots. I've wrecked so many pairs of pants and shirts just having some drips of chlorine. So be very careful. Only wear old shit when you do this kind of work. By the way, why am I doing this? I'm a busy entrepreneur with a lot of businesses because I'm saving about $100 a month taking care of the pool myself. And that's about, that's more than $1,000 a year. So I hope that you got $1,000 worth of value out of my video, and if you did, click like, subscribe.